Hi guys, this is Shweta here and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a red smoky eye look, and I'm really excited to showcase you guys how to create this wonderful look in the simple way possible using the best products. So let's just get started with the video. Now the thing is, smoky eyes are really popular. It's something that we all have done once in our life, whether you want to go to the party or you want to do like a festive smoky look. It's always been there, but today I'm going to be showing you guys something really different. It's a red smoky eye look. So you inculcate the color red because red is the color of love. We kind of inculcate and include it in the smoky eyes and create something really different. As you guys can see, my eyes look like really different than normal smoky eyes. So I want to show you guys how to make this smoky eyes yourself using my favorite products so easily. So stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, the palette that we're going to be using is this one today. This is the Makeup Revolution Soph Extra Spice eyeshadow palette, and this is also a part of their collaboration. This is the second part of the very famous palette that we know, that's the Soph palette, but this one is the Extra Spice because of the shades which are more spicy, more on the reddish side, so it fits perfectly with the theme. You have all the information at the back as well. So you can buy this on Foxy, it's available. So yeah, this is how gorgeous the palette looks like. Wow, right? This looks so pretty. So I'm just going to open up the packaging and voila. So you have a covering on top, and this is how the shades look. So the shades are primarily very different. So you can have you have some reds, some metallics, some mattes, browns, so you have all of that. Also there are like metallic shimmers. So I really like the shades. They're very usable, very different than any other palette that I've used before, and I'm kind of done with using the same color, the same shades again and again. So this is pretty nice. I really love to use this one for our look. So these two are my absolute thing that I'm eyeing on, but also the metallic shades I want to try out. So let's just do the look now. So for the base shade, I'll be choosing this shade here. This is called Cookie Dough. Now the base shade will create a nice undertone for our look. Okay, so once we're done with that, I'm going to be kicking off to the red because I'm really excited about the red. So we're going to be smudging on, that's the primary color that we're going to be using. It's called 21, really saucy tomato red in shade. So very excited. So yeah, the red here, let's see. You immediately get the red pigmentation here. The pigmentation is strong. I'm blending the shade very well so that it doesn't look like a pop of red, but it looks very defined, very blended properly. So I'm just going to blend it a little bit. So now let's take this gorgeous shade here. It's called Romance, perfect for the theme. Since we're doing like a smoky, red smoky theme, I'm emphasizing on the red shades. Like, see how gorgeous the shades come off now. Just blend, blend, blend. Blend at the corners so that it becomes more defined, so you guys can immediately see the difference. Now we have the red. Okay, so now the next color that we're going to choose is really dark. This is the wine red. This is called Mulled Wine. Now the reason is we're going to create like an ombre but a smoky effect, so we want different red shades, different kind of shade range for reds, and then maybe switch on to a little bit of blacks or other shades. So I'm going to go for Mulled Wine here. And we're going to use the same shade below. We're going to be basically layering it with this dark black shade here. This is called Reputation. Very fitting though. So we're just going to use that. It's like really jet black. And then maybe smudge it out. So yeah, you've seen the difference. Smudge it and then go over just towards the corner. You just want to like give it a little smoky effect here at the corner, not go overboard with it. Now at the center we're going to use a little bit of the corner of the eye to give like a sparkle effect. So we're going to use gold shade because it works really well with red shades. So we're going to use this. This is called Last Sun. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this metallic yellow blue. Immediately see the gold. Okay, so you guys can already see the difference, but in order to like put a little bit of the lightness here at the down especially, we're going to use a little bit of this copper shade called Dreams. This is how the eyeshadow looks. We're going to be doing a little bit of adjustments with our other products like mascara and a little bit of the eyeliner to just give it a more definition. So yeah. So guys, with that we're done with today's red smoky eye look, and I hope you guys really liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Love this makeup and want more? Don't worry, Foxy app is here now. So download the Foxy app from your Play Store and get exclusive offers, discounts and best beauty products across. So what are you waiting for? Download the Foxy app now and start shopping. So guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel in order to support me, and you can also follow me on all the social media channels. All the links will be down in the description box below. So with that we are done. Hope you guys have a fabulous week ahead. Ciao.